Today we are going to see how we can connect multiple number of devices with the help of wireless node like access point. So for this, what are all the devices we are taking? You see, first we are taking the router. That is, here we are taking the router of 1841. So this is my router we are taken. Then we are taking the switch. So that switch also we have taken 2950 24 port switch. So that one we have taken. Other than that, we are taking the PCs. So this is the PC we have taken. And since we are going to establish the wireless access point, so therefore, wireless communication, so therefore we are taking the access point. So you are seeing down that is the wireless device, and here we are going to see the access point. So this is my access point, and here based on the access point I am going to establish the wireless communication. So therefore I am taking some 6 or 5 PCs, so we can tell that how wirelessly this particular PCs are working. So this is like one kind of topology. We can tell this particular topology as it's a kind of star topology. Okay, so in between you just take this one as the middle point and this is the star part. So now what you have to do, first you have to go for the connection for router, switch and the first PC, which one is server like that. So first we are taking the connection, then what you are doing, we are choosing the automatically choose connection type. We have taken that one and we are just connecting this one to router. Then again you take the automatic connection, you just connect switch to PC. Now again we can take the automatic connection. Automatic means we are not configuring anything perfectly. So you just connect switch to access point. Now what you have to do, you have to configure the router. So double click on the router, and for that particular router you just select the configuration part, and for this particular configuration you just go for the configuration, then select fast ethernet 0 by 0, and here you just apply the IP address 192.168.2.1. okay, 2.1, which will be the gateway for all others. Now you turn it on. Immediately you are turning on the router, you will see that line protocol and interface fast ethernet 0 by 0 change state to up. Okay, now the part is over, so just close this. Next you come for the PC configuration, double click on PC configuration. Then for PC configuration you have to go for the desktop and you have to go for the IP config, and in that IP config it's just already given 2.1, so 192.168.2.2, and this is your automatic subnet mask, and you just prefer the IP address as gateway, that is 2.1. So this is the thing which one we have provided the IP address. So now it is enough. Close it. Now what you have to do is we have to configure the access point. Okay. So for configuring the access point, what you have to do is you have to go for access point, then go for configuration and select the port 1. So in that port 1 you just see we have to select first the secure ID. So that is, I'm giving my name here as a secure ID, and here we have to give an authentication WEP key, authentication key, and that must be 10 digits. So I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so that's all. We have completed the configuration of the access point. So through this particular authentication key only everything will be accessed. Okay, so now I'm closing here. Now one by one all the PC we are going to configure. So here totally. Okay, so you just see here. Now what you have to do, first you switch off this one, because I'm having here an RJ45 connector, so you have to replace this one by wireless connector and then switch on your switch. Okay, so after this you have to go for configuration. So then go for configuration, select your wireless part, then again configure, like then name all these things properly, then only it can get connected. Then select WEP 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so your connection is over, configuration. Then come to the desktop, come to the PC wireless part, then come to the connect part, then refresh. Okay, after refreshing you will get the name here. Just do refresh until you are getting the path here. I mean, you'll get the name here. If it is not coming here, one second, you just go for back, and here just you check like all the PC part and all physical configuration is correct or what. So WP, okay, it is given, and configuration part also you see the value 0, so it is given, and here also it is given like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Everything is okay, then once again go to PC values, then once again connect and refresh. Must has to come here. Until it is coming we can't connect. Okay, now it is came. Now you go for connect, then go for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, now you connect this. That's all. So one PC configuration part partially over. Now you have to go for IP configuration. Then select the static IP. Then here you count 192.168.2 dot. From 10 onwards, I'm just giving. Okay. So here I'm giving the default gateway 192.168.2.1. Okay, so PC configuration part is over. That's all. First PC is connected. You're seeing. Now we'll go for the all the PC configurations in the same way. So now we'll see that second PC configuration. Again the same way I'm repeating. Just carefully follow. We are just taking RJ45. We are placing wireless part. We have to switch it on. Then we have to go for configuration wireless. Then again we have to put our value. Then we have to provide your address 12345678990, which is the authentication key. Sorry, so you have to give the authentication key, then come for the desktop again, and come for the PC values, and again connect. So automatically once it is refreshed, it will come automatically. Then connect 12345678990. Then connect it. This is over. Then go for the IP configuration. Come for static. Then 192.168.2.11. Then your IP address. Then 168.2.1. That's our second PC also connected. So we'll go for the third PC. Same way. That's why same type of device only I'm showing. So you will have some idea like how to design it. So again it is connected. Then we made it. Then configuration. Okay. Then again just put the name. Then you have to give the authentication 123456780. So authentication part is over. Then come for the desktop wireless PC. Then connect. You need to refresh before itself is coming. So 234567890. Then connect it. And that's all. This is over. Then you have to go for configuration. Then 11. After that we'll have 192.168.2.12. Then we'll have this one 192.168.2.1. Okay, so this is over. Next, again off. Again the same way we are doing. Okay, same way we are just connecting. Configuration wireless. Okay, so here you have to provide your IP 3456789. This ID. So it's over. Then desktop, then wireless, then connect, push, connect. Same way I'm just following all the path. Okay. So then again static IP 92.168.2.13, 192.68.2.1. Okay, this is over. Connected. Next one. just take it here. Then this module connected, then switch it on. Config value 0. WP 12345678990. Then here is your name. Okay, so this part is over. Again, desktop, PC values, connect, refresh, connect. 12345678990. Connect. Configuration is over. Then IP address 192.168.2.14. 192.168.2.1. Okay, so the part is over. Now the last PC we are going to design. Last one. Switches like this. Switch it on. Config wireless 0. So then only you will get the wireless port. Okay. Until you are there in RJ45, you will not have the wireless port. So therefore, for all the PC, first the hardware configuration we have changed. Then after that only we are going for the IP part. So here also you have to wait for refreshing. So I'm just refreshing. So once again we can check previous. So automatically it is showing connected. But when we are taking from here, it is not. Okay, it's connected. Now connected. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so connect this one. So automatically it is connected. Then IP configuration static 192.168.2.15. Then 192.168.2.1. Okay, so all the configurations are over. Now what we are going to see, we'll see the packet transfer. So just take the packet here to here. Okay, so what happened, let's see here. It is successful. Again delete it. Let's just check this first PC to second PC. Successful. See here. Then you check for first PC to third PC. Successful. Then check for first PC to fourth PC. Successful. Then you check for first PC to fifth PC. Successful. Now you check for first PC to sixth PC. It's also successful. So therefore, this wireless network with star topology, it is working very fine. Therefore, this is one of the example. Like that, lots of different examples are there. So we know that conventional WSM topology also applicable here. Okay, so based on this, we can identify that which kind of topology, wireless topology, we can design this. Okay, so just take this one as a sensor node. We can give the properties of the sensor node over here. Okay, so this is one of the topology we have seen here. So based on this, you can proceed for further operation.